Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a topic that's super important for overall health. Keeping your kidneys in tip-top shape. Just like we prioritize our heart health or brain health, giving our kidneys some love is crucial. And what better way to do that than with the power of nature's candy? Fruit. We're diving into the top 3 fruits you should be adding to your breakfast routine to give your kidneys a little extra TLC. Whether you're already dealing with some kidney issues or just want to be proactive about your health, these fruits are like a tall glass of water for your kidneys. Stick around to the end for all 3 because you won't want to miss out on these kidney-boosting powerhouses. And as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat when it comes to your health journey. First up, we have the little blue dynamos themselves, blueberries. These tiny fruits are like the superheroes of the fruit world, packing a serious nutritional punch. And when it comes to your kidneys, blueberries are a true MVP. One of the key ways blueberries support kidney health is through their rich antioxidant content. You see, antioxidants are like little warriors that fight off harmful molecules called free radicals. Free radicals can wreak havoc in the body, causing damage to cells and tissues, including in your kidneys. Blueberries are chock full of specific antioxidants called anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant blue color. Anthocyanins have been linked to reduced inflammation throughout the body, and inflammation is a major culprit in many chronic diseases, including kidney disease. But wait, there's more. Blueberries are also a good source of vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant. Vitamin C plays a vital role in boosting the immune system, and a strong immune system is essential for overall health, including kidney health. So, how can you incorporate more of these little blue gems into your diet? It's easy. Toss them in your morning smoothie, sprinkle them on your yogurt or oatmeal, or just enjoy a handful as a snack. Your kidneys will thank you. Next up on our list of kidney-friendly fruits is a summertime favorite, watermelon. This juicy melon isn't just incredibly refreshing, it's also a fantastic choice for supporting kidney health. And the secret lies in its impressive hydration power. When it comes to kidney function, staying properly hydrated is absolutely essential. Our kidneys are responsible for filtering waste products from the blood and flushing them out through urine. When we don't drink enough fluids, our kidneys have to work harder to do their job, which can put a strain on them over time. Watermelon is about 92% water, making it a natural diuretic. This means that eating watermelon can help increase urine production, which in turn helps flush out toxins and waste products from the kidneys more effectively. But watermelon's benefits don't stop there. It's also a good source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that's been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, including kidney cancer. Lycopene also helps protect against cell damage and inflammation, further supporting kidney health. So, next time you're looking for a refreshing and hydrating treat, reach for a slice of watermelon. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Last but certainly not least, we have the mighty cranberry. These tart little berries have long been recognized for their ability to support urinary tract health. But did you know they're also beneficial for your kidneys? Cranberries contain a special type of plant compound called proanthocyanidins, or PACs for short. PACs have a unique ability to prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract, including the bladder and kidneys. This is particularly important for preventing urinary tract infections, which can sometimes lead to more serious kidney infections if left untreated. But cranberries' benefits go beyond just preventing UTIs. They're also a good source of vitamin C, which we already know is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect against cell damage and inflammation. Additionally, cranberries contain manganese, a mineral that plays a role in collagen production. Collagen is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of the kidneys. Now, you might be thinking, but cranberries are so tart, how can I enjoy them? Well, you don't have to eat them plain. While cranberry juice is popular, it's often loaded with sugar. Instead, try adding unsweetened cranberries to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt. You can also find dried cranberries without added sugar, which make a great snack. So there you have it, folks. 3 amazing fruits that you can easily incorporate into your diet to support kidney health. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is crucial for overall well-being, and these fruits are a delicious and natural way to show them some love. What's your favorite way to enjoy these kidney-boosting fruits? Let me know in the comments below. I always love hearing from you guys. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.